Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today is Sunday and I'm about to finish up my Christmas decorations, my tree specifically. I have a tree skirt. Oh my gosh, I need to put something on my feet. All right, much better. Got my slippers on. Anyways, like I was saying, we're about to finish up the tree. I'm gonna sweep up, vacuum, whatever, all the floors just to give it a really nice, clean feel. I haven't done that because I'm moving things around. With the tree sheds a lot. I love my tree, but it sheds a lot. Let me show y'all. It's just like, it falls all down here all day long. So I'm not gonna bother like cleaning it up all the time, but I'm gonna do a big reveal after the fact. So DJ is gonna come over and he's going to help me wrap some boxes so that we can put under the tree as decoration. Now I told him when we buy gifts for each other, which I already started, we'll put our real gifts in gift bags and the boxes will signify just decoration. So we just know the difference between the two. As well as when my friends come over, because I will be doing Secret Santa and different Christmas activities with my close friends. So yeah. So anyways, in today's vlog, we are going to be finishing up the tree, fluffing the tree, wrapping boxes, putting these sculptures, reindeer things in place, and I will probably do the big reveal. I don't know, maybe tomorrow, maybe not. We're gonna see how it looks by the end of the night. So, not trying to be up all night doing this, but we're gonna find some time to record the actual reveal of everything. So, let's go. Go ahead and begin doing the boxes. I think I need to wrap these boxes first. That'll help a lot with the process. So I have some big, some small, you know, the vibes. I have multiple different wrapping papers. So let's get started. All right, so we're about to start wrapping up these boxes, these gifts. Probably gonna wrap the small boxes first. I have a few boxes, and these are the ones that I have. DJ got these for me. These are from Walmart. And then I have this really nice one, which matches everything perfectly. And then I have this silver one, which I may not use because it's a little bit too silver for what I like. So we're gonna get started. Hold on, the camera is dying.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, from this Christmas on. From this Christmas
Huh?
From this Christmas sun, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. From this Christmas sun, from this Christmas sun.
All right, y'all, so this is all right, you guys, so this is all the boxes I've done so far. As you can see, a huge one, a little skinny one, a few little ones. So I am estimating that I should need at least like 4 or 5, not 4, 3, 2 or 3 more boxes. So I'm actually gonna check my closet to see what extra little boxes I have, because I know I have plenty of boxes that I haven't thrown away. I usually keep boxes, so up there you'll see I have some boxes, but those boxes are for like my computer, some glassware, and then I have some shoe boxes and more Rebel Scents and Amazon package boxes. So I'm gonna take 2 of those boxes down. Oh, let me look for the sizing, because I want things to be different in size so that it looks fuller, bigger, you know, there's a whole aesthetic going. But yeah, I'm just gonna pull down one more box. Oh, this is perfect. And here's the box. This is a box. It's thick, it's wide, but it's not huge. So we're gonna do that box and then that other tiny BoxyCharm box. And then I think we're gonna be good for now. If I need more, then I'll just do some more down. Let's wrap this BoxyCharm box. So this one was my favorite wrapping, but this is all I have left, and I only got to wrap, which I don't think makes sense. I only got to wrap this one and that one, and I only have like a scrap left. So that was kind of like a rip-off for wrapping paper, because I literally wrapped 2 small boxes and it's done. So I'm not sure. I guess I'm gonna use this gold reindeer one. I can't wait to show y'all the reindeers. It's gonna be so cute. All right. Alright guys, so this is the skirt that I ended up going with. A fluffy white with like white little, not silver cranberry vines and whatever. Yeah, just something simple to bring out the white in the tree. This was $20 at Hobby Lobby. So let's go ahead and open that. Oh, it's pretty big, so I definitely need to fluff this tree so that it can match and everything can be balanced. So here are the boxes.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm.
All right, so I put all the boxes that I did wrap down there, and I feel like I'm missing a few. It could just be a little bit more fuller, but maybe I'm just overthinking it. Y'all tell me. Look, so this is that corner. Obviously I'm not going to put any in the back because you're not going to be able to see them, but I feel like I'm just missing like one more right here, just one more small one, and I think I'll be good. I like the 3-toned, so we have silver, we have the silver one, the gold with the reindeers, but then again I may not, because I forgot the reindeers have to go around, so don't want it to be in a place where someone's gonna walk into it. So I think that's it for the boxes. You know, I think I'm done. I'm literally sweating. I don't understand how, but that's probably gonna be it for the boxes. I'm gonna take a quick break and then we're gonna do the reindeers. So keep on watching because it's gonna be the next clip for you. All right, y'all, look at this last reindeer. I don't think I showed you guys in the store. I didn't, but this is the white one. It's the velvet and it has the glitter gold on the back and also on his forehead. I think it's so cute. It's a better view. So this one, I don't know if he's gonna sit under the tree. I think he should because he matches everything. But then I mean, it means I have to move one of these because he needs somewhere to sit. You understand what I'm saying? So gotta figure that out and play with it a little bit. I still think I need like 2 more boxes, but I think I'm gonna move this one so that he can truly sit on the tree skirt like that. Yeah, that's really perfect. That's so cute. All right, so this one's probably gonna go in the front. I would have did it on the table, but I just don't trust it on the table because people might knock it over and I don't want them to break. So this one's probably gonna go under the TV. Yep, next to this joy sign. This one I wish was bigger since he's down here, but it's okay. Just like that. So we have the tree, the joy sign, and then our little friend. Are we supposed to name these reindeers? I don't know. All right, so the only thing left I have to do, well, I almost just knocked my head into that TV. The only thing left that I have to do is go through this bag because that's where the things are. So, oh yeah, I have these 2 flowers that I need to add to the tree just to add some more fillers and texture. These flowers I bought for my bedroom because I'm missing some, and I finally went to Hobby Lobby, which is the original place I got them. So I just bought a little bit more of these so I could put in my room over my bed. I just bought 3, 2 gold, 1 white, just to fill in that space because you can tell it's like missing some. So I'll probably do that tomorrow at some point. Yeah, I'm gonna need like at least 4 more of these. Oh, I really wish I would have got some. Now that I'm thinking about it. Yeah, so anytime, like anywhere there's like really deep spots, I'm gonna put this in there. So this is why I definitely feel like I need to get a little bit more. All right, there's that. So the very last thing, again, is to fill it in. As you can see, it looks really nice, but I feel like it's just missing a few pieces. I'm not gonna worry about it too much this week because I need a break from this, truthfully. I do have the star, which I'm gonna put up after I'm done talking, but this is what it's looking like. Super cute. So this side right here is the side that's really bothering me. Like it needs some fillers right here because it just looks like something's missing. So anytime you see branches stuck together, that just means it needs to be fluffed out. So no branches are supposed to be stuck, and there's still quite a few that are. I just really cannot do it right now. I'm just a little bit tired. That'll be it for tonight because I'm tired and I gotta go back to work tomorrow. Thanksgiving break is over. So Let's do the star, y'all. So this is the star that I went with. It's super white, super snowflakey. As you can see, there's snowflakes all over the tree. So I thought that was like just a nice addition to the tree. And yeah, nothing too crazy. This was $7.99 because it was 50% off, and it was originally $14.99. So we are happy about that. I always love a good sale. All right, so let's go ahead and put this tree topper. It is so cute. Babe, last part, please. Yeah.
I had given up hope. I don't know if you're gonna like it too much. When the snow started falling, but then I knew it was you. Around midnight, way up high, there's an angel every night. Take my hand, you promised land.